I've got that in 240, by the way. And this is 3S.
Yo.
Yeah, you definitely need centre diff wheel. Those front wheels balloon. Do dinner. Well, you might as well go as fast as you can while it's cold. Okay.
Guys, so this is maximum speed, and this is my weird looking
Monster Beetle buggy thing. I don't know what it is anymore. Right, zeroed out, ignore the max 6 speed, and let's go. You're doing more wheelies than anything. More wheelies! Right, bring it here, see what it's doing.
44!
44 and 3S.
That's freaking mad.
Not bad for 3S, eh?
Madness.
Give you an idea of what it could achieve if the ESC didn't poop itself. Way! Alright, what speed did it get?
That was half on there. That isn't as bad.
Go a bit faster. There's a huge turning circle. For us. Yeah. You're getting flipping dangerous, Johnny. Right guys, so 3S achieves 46 mile an hour. We are now on 4S. Let's see what this thing can do. Apart from balloon, the front wheel's a hell of a lot. All you can hear is the wheels bouncing. Let's have a look. Or not. Yep, I'm ready. Like yesterday's spaghetti. Still 47, probably do a lot more. Are you puffing it? This thing's a monster.
Towing the broken car.
Oh, I will go off the curb in a minute. Imagine if I had the tiny motor in it that was in it originally, it wouldn't be able to do this.
Yeah, true.
This is doing it without any issue whatsoever. I'm literally turning. Off we go. Whoa! Oh, that sounded horrible. And that sounds horrible driving it. Screws popped out, I think. And you only got rear wheel drive. So, Mr. Bender, what's the damage?
You did an amazing backflip. Basically, the chassis has bent. I might need to get a brace, to be honest, in front and back.
Yeah, it's bent ever so slightly.
I don't think it's ever so slightly.
Yeah, it's a gradual bend. And
it's bent the centre drive shaft, which we could probably hammer back.
yeah, so that's proper bent.
The suspension.
It's alright, that pops straight back on.
And I broke the back bit a little bit more.
It's completely snapped.
But you see, I can just glue that.